Welcome to Balere Station, Cedar Creek Road, Cedar Creek. This picturesque 398-acre lifestyle is a freehold rural property located against the steep foothills of Mount Tamborine and encompasses some of the prettiest acreage in the Gold Coast region. The land has an extensive frontage to Cedar Creek, which meanders through the property, supplying an abundance of fresh water for livestock and the wildlife. This is horse and cattle country, which varies from rich creek flats to undulating areas and rainforest ridges. This unique lifestyle property is situated in a location rich in wildlife and steeped in history. Balere Station, Cedar Creek Road, Cedar Creek.